Sing a song, we'll all sing along with the Mother Goose Club. The Mother Goose Club!
Elves in Santa's Workshop.
Don't you love Christmas?
Yeah, it's so fun, just like wrapping presents.
Speaking of presents, wrapping paper, please. Oh, hi! We're wrapping presents.
Wrapping paper? Here you go.
Ooh, and scissors.
Scissors?
Tape, please.
Tape?
Time for a ribbon.
Ribbon. Here you go.
And a finger, please.
Oh!
Okay. Bunny ears. Through the hole. And pull. Ooh, it's so pretty.
Actually, it's for you.
Aw, thanks.
Whew. Wrapping presents is hard work.
And we've got so many more to go. Think of all the toys the elves help build and wrap for Santa. They make enough presents for girls and boys all over the world.
Ooh! Imagine if we were elves.
Ooh, and imagine if we had elf tools for building all kinds of toys. And don't forget, Santa's Workshop. Whoa!
We are elves. We stock the shelves here at Santa's Workshop. We make toys for girls and boys here at Santa's Workshop. Ting, 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 our hammers ring. All day long we work and sing. We love the fun and joy we bring here at Santa's Workshop. We make dolls that talk and bots that walk, tops that spin, and games to win, cars and trucks and rubber ducks here at Santa's Workshop.
This is so cool.
We are elves. We stock the shelves here at Santa's Workshop. We make toys for girls and boys here at Santa's Workshop. Ting, 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 our hammers ring. All day long we work and sing. We love the fun and joy we bring here at Santa's Workshop. We make construction sets and fighter jets, pails and scoops and hula hoops, fuzzy bears and rocking chairs here at Santa's Workshop. We are elves. We stock the shelves here at Santa's Workshop. We make toys for girls and boys here at Santa's Workshop. Ting, 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 our hammers ring. All day long we work and sing. We love the fun and joy we bring here at Santa's Workshop.
Great!
Here at Santa's Workshop. Here at Santa's Workshop.
Wow! That was so much fun. And you two make great elves.
Thanks, and so do you.
Well, back to work, I guess. Can I open my present now? Sure. Oh, it's so cute. Just in case you ever lose your real ones.
Again.
You know, the only thing better than getting presents
It's giving presents.
And look, here's a present from all of us at Mother Goose Club to you.
Happy holidays. Earth is our home. Hello? Anybody there?
Surprise, Eve!
Hi, Jack. Hi, Mary. Welcome home, Eep. Tell us about your trip.
Yeah, did you miss us?
Of course I miss my friends.
Aww.
But it's funny, even though I was far away in many different places, I always felt right at home.
Really?
Yeah, let me show you. I took lots of pictures and made drawings too.
Earth is our home, what a beautiful home. We love our beautiful home. Earth is our home and wherever we roam, we know Earth is our home.
Flowers grow tall, insects so small. We love our beautiful home. Songbirds that sing, fit for a king. We know Earth is our home. Ocean so blue, oh what a view. We love our beautiful home. Trees touch the sky, clouds float on by. We know Earth is our home.
Earth is our home, what a beautiful home. We love our beautiful home. Earth is our home and wherever we roam, we know Earth is our home.
Ice on the sea with a walrus or three. We love our beautiful home. Desert so dry, waves tumble by. We know Earth is our home. Snow on the ground, hush not a sound. We love our beautiful home. River so wide with turtles inside. We know Earth is our home.
Earth is our home, what a beautiful home. We love our beautiful home. Earth is our home and wherever we roam, we know Earth is our home. We know Earth is our home.
Wow, Eep, your pictures are great. I feel like I was almost there.
Yeah, the Earth is so amazing. I want to visit every part of it.
Eep, Eep, was it scary to travel so far away from home?
You know, I thought it would be. And then I realized that no matter where you are, Earth is your home.
You know, that's a good point.
So remember, wherever you roam, Earth is always your home. Bye!
See you next time.
Safe travels!
Freight train.
All aboard! The freight train is leaving the station. Bye! Can you help us figure out what's coming down the track? Yay! Great! Hang on.
Clickety clack, what's that coming down the track? A freight train! Freight train coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Clickety clack, what's that coming down the track? A steam engine coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Clickety clack, what's that coming down the track? A boxcar!
driving in my car. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Oh, hi. Let's pretend we're driving. But first, we have to buckle our safety belt. Here we go.